Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we are creating this kind of 80s movie, B-movie kind of pink alien situation right here, and it's perfect to make if you don't know what to be for Halloween and you don't have a lot of time or money to buy stuff. This is super easy, super cheap. You can use stuff you already have at home. Just throw on any clothes in the color you want to make your alien kind of, and you're good to go. So if you want to see how I created this look, just stay tuned. I've already primed all of my face using my Benefit Professional, and now I'm moving on to priming my lids using my Beauty Bakery Ice Cream in the color Pancake. And I'm just taking my finger, dipping this into the product and placing it on my lid. This is just to create a nice base for the eyeshadow that we will be putting on later on. Then we are going to pick up the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking the color Bori on a large fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just placing this color everywhere, like everywhere. This is going to be the base color of this look. So I'm placing this all over my face and also down onto my neck, just, you know, to make all my skin nice and pink. Like that, nice and weird and pink. And the next thing I'm going to do is to take a Sephora liner in the color Electro Mauve. This is a nice kind of purple lilac color, and I'm just going to zoom you in, and I'm just going to do my brows with this purple color, and I'm just doing them like I normally would. With my brows on, I'm moving on to the eyes, and first I'm just going to pick up this same color Bori and make sure that it is even all the way throughout my crease, just building up the intensity, and I'm just using a fluffy shader brush to do so. And as you can see, when I'm using this brush and this technique, it goes on a lot more intense than it did using the big face brush. And I'm also placing this onto the lid. And I'm also running this below my eye. Then I'm picking up this slightly darker color called Zobo, and I'm placing that on my lid and up into my crease as well. Then I'm taking a smaller, more dense brush. This one is from GVS Place, and I'm picking up the same color, Zobo, and I'm placing this on the lower lash line, closer to the lash. Then I'm going to pick up my Norvina palette, and I am picking up this color Celestial, and I'm placing this on the center of my eye to make a little pop of sparkle right here. And then I'm taking the same GVS Place brush. I've wiped it off, and I'm picking up Wild Child from the Norvina palette, and I'm packing this onto my inner corner. And I'm also going to pick up the same color on my finger, and I'm placing this on my brow bone and blending it into the pink color for a brow bone highlight. Then I'm going back into the GVS Place palette, and I'm picking up the color Zobo and using that as my contour shade. And I'm using this on a contour brush by Real Techniques. And I'm also placing some of this to contour a little bit along my chin. And then on my face, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dream Glow Kit. And I'm picking up this color Unicorn. And I'm using this on my cheekbones. Almost kind of like a blush, not just a highlight. And also going in under my eyes. I'm placing some on my upper lip, on my chin, tip of my nose, a little bit between my eyes, and a little bit on my brow bone in addition to the one we already have here. And then I think we need some more glitter, so I'm taking some glitter glue. This one is from H&M, and I'm just placing it on the top of my hand. I'm putting some glue onto top of my cheek right here. And then I'm picking up some purple glitter from Festival Face. It doesn't say which color this is because it's a small tub that I bought in a kind of holiday kit, but I'm just tapping this over the glue just to add some more sparkle to my look. And then I'm just brushing over it to remove any glitter that wasn't glued in place. And if there's anything missing, I'm adding more glue and then pressing more glitter onto the spots that were missing glitter. Then for my lashes, I was going to glue on some purple falsies, but I think that will be maybe a little too much, so I'm just going to use a normal black mascara. This is the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express Mascara from the Maybelline X Makeup Shayla collaboration, and I'm just putting this on like I would any other look. And then I'm just gonna wait for that mascara that I put on the wrong place to dry, and in the meantime I'm going to put on some liquid lipstick. And I'm gonna go with this one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the color Vintage. And with my lipstick on, I think my mascara is probably dry enough for me to take off this spill here. That was super easy. And then I'm just going to set my face using my ColourPop All Star setting spray. I'm giving this a little shake. And then I'm going to go put on my wig and also make my hands pink, and I'll be right back after that. And so with my wig on, which is by the way the worst I've ever paid money for, but that's the way it is, and it's from H&M. I'm going to put on some high shine lip gloss by Urban Decay in the color Big Bang, and I'm taking some of this on my finger, and I'm just going to tap this over top of my lips. Just to add some shine. And with my lip gloss on and my wig on, this kind of 80s B-movie pink alien situation is done. This is how it turned out. I think it's fun. It's perfect for when you don't have a proper costume. You can just throw on any color wig, any color clothes, and then just do your makeup the same color as your clothes. It's pretty fast and easy, so you don't need to have like awesome makeup skills to create a look like this. Yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you did like it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you do have any questions, any comments, any feedback, any wishes for future looks or products you want me to try out, just leave them in the comments down below and I'll make sure to get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll leave a button right up here, and if you want to make sure that you don't miss any of my posts, you can also hit the notification bell. Then you'll get a notification every time I post something. If you do decide to recreate this look yourself, you can tag me on social media. I'll be super happy to see your look. That would be really fun. If you want to see something else that I've done, I'll put a couple of videos up here, probably some Halloween ones. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you next time, and until then, bye!